Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford C-Max, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll pop down. Then you should see this release lever that will pull. And that pop, if you could hear it, was the safety releasing, so we can open it from the front now. If there's no tension here at all, you might need to check behind this carpet and plastic, make sure the cables are still attached. Now we'll go up front. And you should see the hood slightly loose now. So from here, there's a lever. We're going to push the lever and lift. So push and lift. And then you can see there's an arm here that we'll use to hold the hood up. So now this is holding the hood. This is that lever I was pushing. Make sure nothing's bent or broken, no debris in here that needs cleaned up. If it's sticking a lot, maybe try some WD-40 to loosen it. And then here's where it was hooked onto. And then also double check that your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could also cause issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.